Pawan Kumar, currently a student in data analytics. I'm here to present my final report of the project in data visualization. The data visualization is basically a practice of transforming information into visual content such as graphs and maps to make it easier for data to be understood by human and to get insights from. The main goal of data visualization is to make it easier to identify patterns and trends and outliers in large data sets. For creating my final project, I used one of the most powerful data visualization tool, which is Tableau. The reason why I choose Tableau is because it is the best software to create interactive visualization, and the visualizations are easy to implement even with a large amount of data. And the amount of work that we do in class basically revolves around Tableau. So that's why I decided to work on my project using Tableau. The dataset that I used to create a visualization is about popularity of cats and dogs in United States. Since I have been fond of animals from childhood, I even had two cats when I was little, and I recently got a dog. So when I was looking for dataset, none of the other dataset excites me until I saw this one. And looking at the dataset really fascinates me and makes me curious to figure out how I can play with the data and see what visualizations I can get from this. And this data I basically obtained from datawall.com. And this is basically an open source format, and anyone can access the data set easily, and it's available for free. So let's start with this. So the name of my dashboard is cat versus dog popularity in USA. Okay, so the dashboard consists of visualizations that contains information about population of compared with dogs in various states in the United States. The dashboard consists of different visualizations such as horizontal bar chart, map, scatter plot, bar chart, along with a table chart which is used as a filter to compare visualization based on different values. The dashboard helps us in determining various important about data such as difference between population of cats, various states in USA containing dogs, dog owning household per state, top 10 states, and many other things as well. And the state filter helps us in filtering data based on specific states. So let's start with the first one, the horizontal bar chart. This visualization helps in comparing the population of dogs with the population of cats in America. And with the help of this, we can determine which state has the highest number of population of cat as compared to the population of dog, and which state has the lowest. This will easily help us in determining that. And then moving on for our second visualization, which is a map. So this is a map of United States of America in which all the state has been listed, and the information that this map is providing us is basically that the dog owning household per states, like household have been how many dog owning household are there in state, and there has been state-wise comparison between various states in United States, such as California has 4,260 household that contains dogs. Yeah, and then moving on for our third visualization, which is basically a scattered plot in which here we have find a relationship between the percentage of cat owners and the percentage of household with dogs. Like in this, we worked with both cat owners versus dog owners. And in the second map, we help in determining the dog owners per state, and thus the scatter post help us in obtaining information about cat owner versus household per pets, which is basically giving us the correlation. Yeah. Moving on. with the bar chart. So this bar chart basically describes the top 10 states in United States which contains the most number of pets. As we can see from this that California is the highest state in which the number of pets are most, which is 6,865, comparing followed by Texas, Florida, New York, and so on. And following on, I have used a filter, which is basically a location filter containing the values of household, with the help of which, if we changes the values in of just changes the value of location, then the data will like changes based on various states selected. Like this is how our final product looks like. Here is basically the horizontal bar chart, the scatter plot, the map, and the table bar chart. This is a bar chart, and this is basically the filter, which is helps in changing the values. of- And from this, we can clearly see each and every step that we have discussed above, such as cat owners versus dog owners by state, dog owning household per states, cat owners versus household per pet, top 10 states with more pet, and this filter helps us in choosing a particular state, and based on that state we can manipulate the data. For example, like if we click California, this will shows the data of California. If we click Florida, it will shows the data of Florida, and so on and so forth. Like thus that's why this visualization is really helping us in providing the visualization and understanding how this data works. And basically the overall, we can say that the dashboard and visualization helps us in reading the data and analyzing how the population of cat and dog differs from state to state, and different from and the differences between the various population ratio of cats and dogs in United States. Thus, this was the end of my slide, and this is all we can get to know about this. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.